How to recover deleted messages in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can recover your deleted messages in Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to recover your deleted messages on Instagram, let's say that you have the Instagram application and then you just come to the DMs page, you happen to delete a chat and then you want to recover that chat of someone else. So instead what you can try to do is you can just come to the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option and then just go to settings, and inside the search box that you can find from the very top, you want to simply type in download your information. Now what this does is that because we cannot recover the data ourselves, the data is still with Meta, right? Meta or Instagram itself has the access to all of our data that we've carried on Instagram, and the only way to get it is by requesting Instagram to give us the data that we can download. So right here, make sure to actually go ahead and then enter your email address, tap on request download. It may take a couple of days period of time for Instagram to gather all the data. It will give you in a certain file format on your email. Once you receive the file, you can extract and open it up, and there you will be able to find all the chats, and this way you should be able to recover deleted messages in Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.